Right, I've started to take the bath out and it's come out a bit, but of course halfway out I've realised that whoever fitted this did a belts and braces. Well, I suppose they did it properly. What it is, there's two brackets and those brackets screw into the wall before you do the tiling, and they're virtually impossible to get to on the bath side up underneath, and so I've quite literally just smashed the tiles open so I can get to them. I've taken that bracket off. I'm about to take this bracket off here, and the easiest way of doing it, I'm just going to use a crowbar, because of course these have been under plaster, these screws, for 40, 50 years, whatever it was, and so they're rusted solid. So I'm just going to use a crowbar to lever that off, this mounting bracket, and then the whole bath should just come away. Right, there we have it, bath's been pulled out. Those are the hot and cold feeds there. Obviously there's a bit of water, but to be expected. And those are the two bloody brackets. Because what we do is they fitted the bath and then tiled around the top of the bath, and so there's no way you can get those damn things off. Because you can't get to them this side, not when the bath's in. Don't even know. There's no way you can get to them. So the only way of getting the bath out is to smash the tiles, and then in my case I pulled the brackets off because like I said, the screws are rusted solid. Right, anyway, bath's out, so what I'm going to do now is take the taps off and put them back on the top of the pipes as a temporary measure, so I can turn the water back on for now. Okay, that'll do. Let's have a look, and that's the bottle trap. Yeah, I'll probably I'll take the waste out and everything, and then we're getting new taps on that. But these are nice taps and that, so we'll sell them with the waste and overflow, etc. as one. Okay. Right, bath's out, and this is a fairly typical mess that you'll find behind the bath in any sort of slightly older house. Because as I say, they were all boxed in, so they made a huge mess. Box it in, you don't know what's behind there. Water's back on. Got the taps, as I say, just mounted. There's quite a feature there, just in the middle of the bathroom. And I'll cut those pipes down later on. But the water's back on. That's all fine. Very typically, they chiselled into the wall to mount the bath, and then they tiled on top of it. So obviously, got to take all the tiles off, and it will be replastered and everything. But let's get ahead of ourselves. Phase 2, yes, is getting the bath out of the bathroom, down the stairs and into the garage, ready to go to the dump. I can't afford a skip, ridiculous price of skip, so it's going to be a lot of trips to the dump. So I've taken off all the overflow and other accessories or furniture, as they like to be called. I now have a bath. I've got to get this bath through this narrow door, along the landing, which obviously is nice wood that we don't want to scratch, down the stairs, onto the landing, or rather onto the hallway, into the hallway, and then out the front door. After that, I'm not bothered about it. I can bounce down the stairs and shove it in the basement temporarily, basement garage. So here's the plan, because I'm on my own. Bath is on a thick dust sheet. I'll turn the bath on its side and then slide it using the dust sheet, if I can, out the door, because the bath's too wide to go through the doorway that way round. Then when we get it out here, I shall put the bath flat as it is now, like that way down. And by my measurements, I have 1/2 inch either side of the stairway. I'll go down first. I then slide the bath down over what are hopefully well protected stairs down into the hallway. If this is the last video you see of the bathroom, then you know how well that idea went. But we'll give it a go, so it'd be great to get the bath out of the way, and then I can tidy up a bit and see what we got. Right, here we go. Turn the bath on its side, slide it. Okay. See you in a minute.